Ever thought about what happens when artificial intelligence meets blockchain technology? Well, buckle up, folks, because we're about to embark on a wild ride into the future of digital innovation. Imagine two superheroes, each with their unique set of powers. On one side, we have artificial intelligence, the brainy hero, with its ability to learn, reason, and adapt. It's like the Sherlock Holmes of technology, always learning, always deducing. On the other hand, we have blockchain, the sturdy and transparent hero. It's like a digital Fort Knox, a place where data and transactions are stored securely and transparently, impervious to the meddling of villains. Now, what do we get when these two heroes join forces? We get a revolutionary synergy that promises to reshape the world as we know it. Just like the dynamic duo of Batman and Robin, they complement each other, enhancing their individual strengths to create a powerful alliance. Artificial intelligence, with its knack for pattern recognition and predictive analysis, can amplify the security measures of blockchain. By swiftly identifying potential threats and anomalies, AI can act as a robust watchdog for blockchain networks, ensuring that our digital Fort Knox remains unbreachable. But the magic doesn't stop there. The convergence of AI and blockchain also paves the way for a transformative impact on decentralized ecosystems. Imagine a world where smart contracts become smarter, where decentralized applications become more adaptive, and where the power of decision-making is not just decentralized, but also intelligent. In essence, we're talking about a digital landscape where transactions are not just secure, but also efficient, where systems are not just decentralized, but also adaptive. This is the world where AI and blockchain intersect, a world of endless possibilities and innovative applications. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the world where AI and blockchain collide. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this journey is just getting started. Does the fusion of AI and blockchain seem like a far-fetched idea? Not quite. In today's digital age, these two revolutionary technologies are not just coexisting, but are actively collaborating, creating a synergy that's transforming industries. Let's take a closer look at some real-world examples where AI and blockchain are working hand in hand. Consider the world of finance, where predicting crypto market trends is a bit like predicting the weather. It's volatile, unpredictable, and can have a huge impact on your day. Now enter AI. With its ability to sift through vast amounts of data and make sense of complex patterns, AI tools are being used to predict market trends, making the crypto landscape a little less daunting for investors. And it's not just about making predictions. AI is a key player in enhancing blockchain security too. In the face of increasingly sophisticated cyber threats, AI algorithms are used to detect anomalies and potential breaches. This means the more data they process, the better they become at identifying and preventing security risks. But the synergy between AI and blockchain isn't limited to just finance and security. It's reshaping the way we do business too. Supply chain management, for instance, is seeing a significant overhaul. With blockchain's transparency and AI's automation capabilities, businesses can now track every single product from its origin to the customer's doorstep, enhancing efficiency and trust. Another great example is the healthcare sector. Patient data is being securely stored on blockchain systems, and AI is then used to analyze this data, improving patient care and enabling personalized treatment plans. And let's not forget about the environmental sector. AI and blockchain are being utilized to create decentralized, transparent systems that track carbon emissions and promote sustainable practices. As we can see, this isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. These real-world applications of AI and blockchain synergy are just the tip of the iceberg. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see more exciting, transformative use cases coming our way. Buckle up, because the future of AI and blockchain is not just bright, it's dazzling. How secure are your digital assets? With AI, the answer is more secure than ever. Welcome to the future, where blockchain security is no longer just about complex cryptographic algorithms, but also about harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. Let's start with the basics. We all know that blockchain is a decentralized, immutable ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. But that decentralization, while a boon for transparency and trust, also opens the door to potential threats. Enter artificial intelligence, the game changer that's stepping up to enhance blockchain security. Artificial intelligence, with its ability to learn and adapt, can be a formidable force against fraudulent activities in the crypto space. Fraud detection has always been a cat and mouse game, but with AI, we're not just keeping pace with the fraudsters, we're staying a step ahead. How, you ask? Well, AI systems can be trained to recognize patterns of fraudulent transactions, and the more data they're exposed to, the better they get at spotting these anomalies. This means that fraudulent transactions can be identified and stopped in their tracks before they even happen. But that's not all. AI isn't just a bouncer keeping the bad guys out, it's also a gatekeeper ensuring that only the right people get in. Yes, we're talking about identity verification. In a world where identity theft is a growing concern, AI adds an extra layer of security to the blockchain. By using machine learning algorithms, AI can analyze and verify identities with an accuracy that far surpasses traditional methods. So whether it's confirming the identity of a person initiating a transaction or verifying the authenticity of a digital asset, AI has it covered. In essence, AI is transforming blockchain security by making it smarter, faster, and more reliable. It's like having a highly intelligent, super efficient security guard who never sleeps. And let's be honest, in the fast-paced, high-stakes world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, that's exactly the kind of security we need. So AI isn't just making blockchain more efficient, it's making it safer too. What does the future hold for AI and blockchain? Picture a world where artificial intelligence and blockchain are not just buzzwords, but integral elements of our everyday lives. As we peer into the crystal ball of the future, we see a myriad of exciting possibilities at the intersection of these two groundbreaking technologies. Firstly, let's talk about advanced predictive models for crypto trading. With the relentless evolution of AI, we can expect to see algorithms that are more sophisticated and precise. These AI models could analyze vast amounts of data from past and present market trends, social media sentiment, geopolitical news, and other myriad factors to predict future crypto prices with uncanny accuracy. This means more profitable trades and less risk for investors. It's like having your own personal Wall Street analyst, but this one never sleeps, never needs coffee, and is always learning. Next, let's consider the security of blockchain systems. Blockchain is already renowned for its robust security, but with AI, it could become practically impregnable. By leveraging machine learning and predictive analytics, AI could detect and neutralize threats even before they materialize, making blockchain systems more secure than ever. It's the digital equivalent of having a watchdog that's always on guard, except this one can sniff out the stealthiest of cyber threats. Finally, let's tackle the mind-bending concept of AI creating and managing its own blockchain. Imagine a decentralized network where AI algorithms not only execute smart contracts, but also create and maintain the blockchain itself. It's like having an autonomous digital society governed by AI. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But with the rapid pace of technological advancements, it might not be as far-fetched as it sounds. In the grand scheme of things, we are still in the infancy of this AI and blockchain convergence, but as these technologies continue to evolve and intertwine, they will undoubtedly revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. The future is bright at the intersection of AI and blockchain. We've come a long way from the dawn of artificial intelligence and blockchain to their exciting convergence. It's been a thrilling journey, hasn't it? Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane, shall we? We began by exploring the intersection of AI and blockchain, where two groundbreaking technologies converge, creating a dynamic landscape that's shaping the future of finance and digital innovation. The synergy between these two technological titans is undeniably transformative, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface of their potential. From the get-go, we dove into real-world applications where AI and blockchain are making waves. We've seen how these technologies are being harnessed to create decentralized systems that are both robust and transparent. revolutionizing sectors from banking to healthcare and beyond. Then, we touched upon the pivotal role of AI in enhancing the security of blockchain systems. AI algorithms have proved instrumental in detecting fraudulent activities, protecting user data, and ensuring the integrity of transactions on the blockchain. It's like a digital Sherlock Holmes tirelessly working behind the scenes to keep the bad guys at bay. And of course, we couldn't forget about the future. A future where AI and blockchain will continue to evolve and intertwine in ways we can't even imagine yet. It's like a sci-fi novel slowly coming to life, with every chapter more exciting than the last. So, as we wrap up this journey, let's remember that we're living in a time of unprecedented technological advancement. As we continue to explore the frontier of AI and blockchain, one thing is certain: we're on the cusp of a technological revolution that will redefine the way we interact with the digital world. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey. Until next time, keep your eyes on the horizon, because the future is closer than you think.